Last month, I made $25,000 on 14 of my Airbnbs. Hold on! You can make that kind of money on Airbnb? Yeah, actually. But in case you missed it. My name is Rob, and 4 years ago I was in about $100,000 of student loan and credit card debt. But then I started to notice something crazy. Some people were making thousands of dollars a month, renting their spare bedrooms, homes, and apartments on this thing called Airbnb. So I decided to list my own apartment. Little did I know, this little guy was going to be making me $1,000 to $2,000 a month. I'm pretty sure you know the rest. I bought a place in LA, built a couple tiny homes, then a glam site, and snagged a few places around the country. I did this. We don't really talk about this. This business that started off as a side hustle now brings me $25,000 a month. Now that you're caught up, you might be wondering, how do I get in on this? So you ask Google. How to start an Airbnb business. 51 million results? Or you drop a question on one of my YouTube videos. Yeah, I'm sorry. I do my best, okay? It's just there are like literally thousands of questions on there. There's just so many questions. So rather than asking your questions on the empty void that is the comment section of my YouTube video, why don't you just ask them to me directly in my upcoming live Q&A? Man, that's actually a pretty good idea. Why didn't I think of this before? For this live workshop, we're gonna be getting straight into the Airbnb fundamentals, like the 5 business models that you can use to get started right now, or how to start your Airbnb business up step by step. Then maybe I'll even divulge some of my Superhost secrets. But the meat of this webinar, the real juicy stuff, is gonna be the live Q&A at the very end. I really don't do these kind of things often, but I wanna give you the most value possible by answering your specific questions about Airbnb and the short-term rental industry in general. Obviously, if you can't make it to this workshop, then you're not gonna have the chance to ask me your questions or even hear the answers to other people's questions, because once this workshop is over, it's gonna be gone. It's not gonna be posted live anywhere. There's just gonna be way too many fire knowledge bombs to leave up there. It's gone, Timmy, and it's not coming back! It's gonna be gone. And last little thing here that I should probably mention, as much as I wanna talk to everybody about Airbnb, given that this is a live Q&A experience, I can't just let like a cajillion billion people into this thing because I wanna get to everybody's questions. So unfortunately, we do have to cap the number of attendees. Boo this man! So, if you want to know more about starting an Airbnb business and you want to ask your questions to a certain superhost, if you want to learn more about Airbnb and you want the chance to ask me all of your burning superhost questions, save your spot, sign up for the workshop down below, and I'll see you there. Like, figuratively. we're not actually going to see each other. Just sign up. It's going to be fun, okay? I promise. All right, bye.